Well, what is there to do? It's a beautiful day. I've cut the grass, done all the housework that Mrs. Rome says I have to do. She's at work, I'm not.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 12.
So I'm going to get the train. I'm going to go to Skipton. In fact, here it is. Good timing. So here we are in Skipton. Apparently voted the happiest place to live in the UK. So let's go and find out why. Well, I've been here for about 15 minutes and I've already figured out why it's the happiest place to live. It's just a bustling little place. It's full of tourists, it's full of nice little independent shops, full of restaurants, full of bars, pubs.
Thank you.
So I was just sat outside that pub and there were two little old biddies, George and Mildred, I think, I don't know, something like that. And they'd been to that pork pie shop and they were talking about how good it was. And she was such broad Yorkshire, she bit into it, she went, "Oh George, that mate, it's lovely." So I found the Canal, and that's obviously a big draw to this place, isn't it? I found Busy Lizzie's, the famous fish and chip restaurant. I don't think I've found the main bit yet. I don't think I've found the main kind of, I don't know, the gem, the centre of Skipton. I've just got lost down a cul-de-sac. See, just look how quaint these little streets are. One of those said it was a holiday cottage. I wonder how much that is. Well, who'd have thought that Skipton's got a castle? I just don't have the time to spend 13 quid going in to have a look. Everywhere you go, there's all these like little cobbled streets. There's loads of little nooks and crannies to explore. But I've just been walking down that main street, but it's market day, and there's lots of elderly people there. I don't know if they live here, or if they're tourists or day trippers or what. But I just thought, why is it that when blokes get older, the trousers just get higher and higher and higher? There's one bloke down there, his belt were up here. I have to find these little quiet streets to talk to you on. Not because I feel like an idiot talking into my phone, but just because it's so busy nobody could hear me. So I'm just approaching what is arguably the best bar or pub in Skipton. They must do a right trade down there, especially in summer. What a fantastic little location that is, right next to the canal. I mean, there is more to life than drinking. think. Sounds like me trying to get going first thing in the morning. So, final thoughts on Skipton. Happiest place to live in the UK? I reckon I'd be happy here. Everyone else seems to be. I'll be back. Plenty more pubs to explore. Right, I couldn't leave without trying one of these pies. I needed to know why Mildred was so impressed by George's meat.
Well, I can confirm from a fat lad that enjoys his beer and his pies, these were some of the best pies I've ever had. So get yourself down to this place in Skipton. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Stick with me. There's plenty more to come.